this is just from ABC Electronics. Let me show you our hot selling products. This is 3-in-1 portable wireless charger, metallic case, keyring design. MIUSB logo, you can change to your logo. Here also can add logo on this hook. Think case, fast charging USB cable. Here it's brightening. Think case. 3 feet, support 65 watts fast charging. And this is 4-in-1 USB cable. 5 feet length, support 65 watts fast charging. 4-in-1 and flat braided. This is magnet USB cable, support 60 watts fast charging. You can see. Anti-tangle. This is fast charging USB cable, supports 100 watts fast charging 3 feet. It has high clearance transparent power display. Here we can see the charging speed. This is magnetic case, support print logo. If you want to learn more details, please check our video, and we will send you details introduction from next email.